In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get a virtual credit card for PayPal verification. This process can be completed in just a few minutes, and I'm here to guide you through each step with clarity and ease. So, let's dive into it. To get started, open your preferred web browser and head over to the PayPal website. You can simply type in paypal.com in your browser's address bar. Once you're on the homepage of PayPal, you'll need to log in. Locate the login button, which should be prominently displayed, and give it a click. Now you're at the sign in page. Here, type in your email address and password. Ensure that you double check for any typos before proceeding. With your details entered, click on login again to access your PayPal account. Once you've successfully logged in, you'll be directed to your account dashboard. Look for the option labeled Pay and Get Paid and click on it. This option is usually found towards the top of the page, making it easy to spot. Next, you'll want to navigate to your wallet. Clicking on the wallet option will take you to a section where you can manage your linked bank accounts and cards. In the wallet section, you'll see an option called Banks and Cards. Click on that, and it will take you to the page where all your linked financial institutions are displayed. To add a new card, click on Link a Card. Now this is where getting a virtual credit card comes into play. You have several options for obtaining a virtual card, depending on what service you prefer or have access to. For obtaining a virtual card, you might consider using services like PayStore Transfer, often referred to as PST. It's a popular choice and quite straightforward to use. Alternatively, you could look into Mr. Tango AI, another efficient service for acquiring a virtual card. Lastly, there's the well-known platform TransferWise, now simply called Wise. Wise is particularly renowned for its ease of use and reliability when it comes to virtual cards. Once you've decided on your preferred service and obtained your virtual card information, it's time to return to PayPal. Use the virtual card details you've acquired to fill in the required fields as you link this new card to your PayPal account. And there you have it, your virtual credit card is now linked and ready for verification. This effortless process opens a range of possibilities in ensuring your transactions are secure and gives you peace of mind when using PayPal. Thank you for joining me today and happy verifying.